Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial we will learn how to add multiple clocks to your Windows 10 PC or in your Windows 10 laptops. So for this guys, just follow my easy and simple method. Hold Windows key and press I. This is the shortcut key to open your Windows settings. In the Windows settings, go to time and language, and here in the right side you can get the option add clocks for different time zone. Just click on it. From here go to the additional clocks. First you want to check this, show this clock, and after this guys, the clock name is clock 1. If you want to change the time zone of this clock, extend this option. From here you can easily change your time zone. Select the time zone which you want to add. After this guys, if you want to add another clock, you can get one more option, show this clock. Just click on it. From here you can easily add another time zone on your Windows 10. So after this guys, just click on apply and click on OK. That's it, very simple. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.